Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can create a new Gmail account. For that, firstly open Gmail app. After opening your Gmail app, click on the profile icon which is located at the side of the search box. Once you click on it, scroll down and click on the option saying add another account. Once you click on it, click on the Google option. Now for creating a new account, click on the option saying create account. You can either create a new account for your personal use or for your work. So for this video, I will be clicking on personal use. Now enter your information. After you enter your basic information, you can either create your own Gmail address or click on the suggested ones. Now you must create a strong password for your Gmail account. After you create a strong password, click on the next option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now this is the privacy terms and conditions which you can read, or for skipping it, just scroll at the bottom of the screen and click on I agree option. So now your new Gmail account has been created, and to switch account, you have to click on the same profile icon at the search box. You can see our newly created Gmail account at the bottom of the account list. Click on it. So this was it guys. Following this process, you can easily create a Gmail account. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.